Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Ansu here, and today I'm going to show you how you can turn on and off the vibration on your Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. For that, you want to go to your settings and then go to notifications, and then you want to go to sound and vibration, and here you have just a general overview, vibrate while ringing, and then you have the notification sound, call, vibrate, notification vibration, system vibration, vibration intensity. So you can go ahead and just say silent or choose a theme for your vibration. Notification, then we have the call vibration. You can also set that to silent, and then we come to the system vibration and the haptic feedback, so we can turn that off if you don't want any vibration. Otherwise, you can set your intensity here. Can go back and go to vibration intensity for your calls, for your notifications, system, and media. Vibration sound for incoming calls, can also set that. If you make your settings, you can just go back and enjoy total silence. So that's how you can turn off the vibration on your Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. I hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.